You remember this?
None of that shit in the pins in this f***ing car. I almost get a heart attack. That car is not car, it's plane. They go like this.
We have this G550 here in for a quick tire repair, a patch, balance, and Santos is putting it up right now. So as you guys know, there's a lot of rain today. We have this Rolls Royce here, and we're gonna go ahead and replace possibly 2 wheels and tires because he hit a big pothole. So we're gonna get it off the truck and let's get started. We have a Ferrari California here. This car is in here for a battery replacement. We did go to the customer's house to bring this car here because she couldn't drive it here. So customer service, Ferrari California will be ready in 20 minutes. So as you guys know, this 94 Mercedes E320, this is a really nice car. This thing is in here for a lot of stuff actually. We're going to do body work, we're going to do upholstery, mechanical. So the first thing is out of the way. This car's convertible top was not working at all. We have everything fixed, we changed everything on this thing. So let's take a look and see how this thing works.
Behind me we have this 488 Spider. As you guys know, it rained here in Los Angeles for about a week, which is pretty rare for us. But in LA, when it rains, our streets are poorly maintained, so all the potholes and everything just reopen up. So we get a lot of these flat tires on every type of car. This 488 unfortunately went through a pothole and destroyed both of his right side wheels and tires. So wheels are bent, tires are gone. We're gonna be checking it out. Other than that, don't mind my salt water. I got my wisdom teeth pulled yesterday, so back at work and enjoying salt water. E63S Wagon, brand new. This thing is a monster. This is Mercedes-Benz's, one of their fastest cars they produce, if not the fastest. It's got serious horsepower, 4-wheel drive, launch control that is insane. I've always thought the Porsches, the Panameras, really have a crazy launch control. This thing is crazy, burns out 4 wheels when you launch it. Crazy car. We just lowered it. We did a little bit of blackout. We're gonna do more on it. We're gonna do more cosmetic things, really unique things. We're excited to make it look even crazier, but yeah, this is a beast.
Camera.
The what?
Camera. I need a camera.
So we have a Rolls Royce right here. This car is in here for wheel repair. We did repair both wheels, and we have 2 new tires on. Just like the Ferrari, due to rain, I mean LA potholes are all over the place. So we had a lot of them last couple of days. This car is good to go. We also did the inner and outer tie rod ends, along with 2 wheel repairs and 2 brand new tires. Just on a test drive, make sure everything's good. Alignment has been completed, and we're good to go. Back to Rdbla. This light takes forever. Long red light. So when that happens, and 1 out of a million times I have the chance to be in one of these, we'll just wait until the light turns green so we can go and stare at the stars. Nice.
Stuck. Now stay in there and work some more. Finish the cut.
Never slept.
Thank you. I have kids.